Hey guys, Funsho here from We Coach Crypto. I hope you all doing well and have had a fantastic weekend. And I want to talk to you today about chasing green candles. Now, the reason that I want to talk to you about this, okay, is it's something that I see come up time and time again. And it happens in my inner circle a lot, okay, where what people will do is they'll talk about particular coins that have gone up X amount and they're thinking, oh, I wish I'd have got into that one. Or they end up actually buying into them because they're starting to move or they've moved a substantial amount. So they expect that potentially it's going to continue to do that. Now, the really important thing to highlight here is that buying in the green, unless you understand how to spot a breakout trade and you can see that it has got a great deal more potential in it based on technicals, is not the greatest idea. Okay, what we want to be doing is buying in the red. So when everyone's panicking, when everything's flying downwards, okay, that's when you want to start thinking about scaling in. And when I say scaling in, what I mean is use a percentage of the liquidity that you've got on the sideline to start buying at lower positions for the particular project that you want to invest into. Now, there's one website in particular that I want to show you something, okay? And when you guys are looking at projects and thinking like, oh, it's up like 15% and everyone's talking about it and it looks great, let me go buy it. I want to show you something that is way more dramatic than that and show you why it's so important not to buy green candles unless you know exactly what you are doing. Okay, so I'm just going to share my screen with you now. Okay, so this is CoinMarketCap.com. Okay, it's a really, really useful website. There are loads of different functions on there and they provide you with a lot of different data. So what I want to show you is if you hover over cryptocurrencies and then come down to gainers and losers, okay, and this is where you will see literally in a 24-hour period certain cryptocurrency projects have gone up dramatically, okay, and it's so easy to get caught up in it and think, oh my god, this is up 275%, let me go and buy some. We want to be catching that before it's even moved. And we've also got to make sure that the projects that we're buying are not crappy shit projects that are just going to pump up and you're going to be so lucky if you catch it. It's just not worth doing, honestly. And what you also want to recognize as well is as quickly as they can go up, they can also crash back down dramatically. And look at the volume in these as well. Okay, fine. Wife Doge, because it's got Doge in the name, because it's got that dog face and it's a meme. Okay, few people have put some money into this. So volume in 24 hours is 6.3 million. But some of these, I mean, it's got nearly $84,000 in a day. These are not serious projects. They're tiny little projects. They're pump and dumps mainly. And you've got to be so careful. I mean, let's just take a look at one of these, Mensa Protocol. Okay, it's got 1.3 million that has gone through it volume-wise in the last 24 hours. Okay, so you can see here, this is on the 1 day, but let's go back to all time. Okay, if you look at that chart, it's flown up, come crashing down. It's up and down like a yo-yo. I mean, look at that massive push there, massive drop. Same here, flying up, flying down, flying up, flying down, up, down. It's like a yo-yo. You know, these are not the type of projects that you want to be risking your hard-earned money going into just because you're chasing green candles. It's not the way to do it, guys. Trust me. Okay, now what I want to show you is the difference. Okay, you look at Bitcoin, you look at the volume in a day, that's 33,156,913,670. You know, that's a project that is serious. Okay, you can tell by the amount of money that's going through it. You can tell by the market cap. All right, and Bitcoin is known for being volatile, but let's take a look at the chart. So if we go onto the all-time here, okay, it's completely different. right? Now, what you've got to bear in mind is, yeah, this is going to look very up and down, but this has been a steady rise, okay, all the way up. If we look at that there, that's 2017, December the 16th. If we look at it down here, that's like April, okay? So all of that time, it's had a rise. And then over a long period of time, it's dropped itself all the way down, okay? We're talking 2 years on that. Then it started pushing up, and then it's pushed down, up. We've had that was quite a bad correction there. But look at this rise. We've had the serious correction there, flown up, correction, flown up. But it just shows you the difference when you're smart about how you invest. Okay, when you start bringing it back to like a year, you can see here we've had a nice steady rise, part of a correction, steady rise, correction, steady rise, correction, steady rise, further rise, deeper correction, rise. This is that bad crash that we had, but look at it over time, and then look, it's on the grow back up. So these are projects that you can look at and start identifying off the back of the charts whether they're worth investing in or not, whether they're worth your time. If you're catching these as they crash down and buy in, you get that massive rise. Sell near the top when all the hype's going on, comes back down, jump back in, off we go again, and just rinse and repeat. Carry on that same constant strategy, and you can win big in crypto. But don't chase green candles, and don't be concerned that other projects are outperforming some of the projects that you sat in, because in this crypto market, you will always see that. If you buy Bitcoin, okay, there are going to be loads of other projects that will outperform it in terms of short periods of time. You know, something will fly up one day because people are doing pump and dump strategies. Something will fly up over the course of a week, but then when Bitcoin starts running, they drop right down again. So unless you understand how to read the charts properly and can take advantage of opportunities like that, stay away from them. Just stay in quality projects like Bitcoin, like Ethereum, like Cardano, like Binance Coin, XRP, Solana, Polkadot, Chainlink, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. These are quality projects. They're safe projects. You know that because of how long they've been in the market, because if you go and do your research into them, you'll understand how many partnerships they've got, how many places they're being used today in real life situations and the problems that they're solving. And you've got to take into consideration there are 11,658 different cryptocurrencies on this platform. Okay, these guys are in the top 15. There's a reason that they are. So all I'll say is, please, not financial advice, but please do not chase green candles unless you understand how to spot breakout trades. Just stay away from them. Buy the red, sell the green. That's the strategy you want to employ. Hope that's been helpful for you guys. If any of you are interested in learning how to trade professionally, we have got a fantastic opportunity for you. We've got 50 spaces, okay, and we're offering a 10-day free trial. So what that's going to give you is it's going to give you a course so that you learn exactly how to trade cryptocurrency professionally on professional exchange. So we'll show you how to get onboarded on the exchange, how to navigate it, how to work it, how to place the trades. The best thing about this is you get the course and get to keep it for free. Okay, so you can go through it in your own time. There's 25 different video walkthroughs that are in there, but you also get to work with me, Asi and Dean directly in our group, and you get to copy the trades that we put in there as well. So we'll tell you about what coins we're buying. We'll tell you all the sell levels and how to do all of that to execute it. And there's a 24/7 Telegram support group in there as well. So if you guys have got questions, you can ask those. It doesn't cost you anything at all. and it's 10 days completely free. The link is in the description below. And we look forward to the next 50 people that are coming into this group, because they get to share our knowledge and start making money in the crypto market. So please like the video, share it, make sure you're subscribed, and hit that notification bell for future videos. And I look forward to catching up with you guys in the next one. Take care.